Welcome to FirstWord Pharma's News Roundup for July 1st, brought to you today by editorial researcher Nina Whittle. In our top news story, according to data posted on the U.S. government's Open Payments website, doctors and teaching hospitals received $6.5 billion from drug and medical device makers in 2014. The site specified that companies made $3.2 billion in payments for research and $2.6 billion for general purposes. The disclosure was made under a transparency initiative created by the Sunshine Act provision of the Affordable Care Act. The latest data showed that more than 11.4 million payments were made to approximately 607,000 doctors and more than 1,100 teaching hospitals. In addition, the U.S. Department of Justice filed a lawsuit in federal court seeking to hold Novartis liable for as much as $3.35 billion in damages and civil fines over alleged kickback schemes that led to improper reimbursements for Exjade and Myfortic. Novartis spokeswoman Julie Masco said the drug maker continues to dispute the allegations and is continuing to defend itself in this litigation. Also featured, the Australian heads of 9 drug makers were questioned during an Australian Senate hearing over the prices of their products in the country and the taxes paid by the companies. The executives were asked why drugs brought into the country were as much as 3.5-fold more expensive in Australia than in other countries. And finally, Novartis head of Pharmaceuticals David Epstein said that the company plans to utilize a new pricing model for some customers when the heart failure drug Entresto is launched. Epstein suggested that some patients could initially receive Entresto at a discount, with the price raised gradually if the drug is deemed to reduce the need for hospital visits. To read these and other stories in full, please visit firstwordpharma.com.
Are you able to keep up with all the news and views in the biosimilars market? FirstWord's Biosimilar Index is the only dedicated biosimilar and non-comparable biologics intelligence tool available. Get ahead of your competition and learn more today.